Will the water at work be safe when I return after lockdown? Commercial buildings that have been closed for weeks could fuel another grisly lung infection. Legionnaire's disease. The sudden and sweeping closures of schools, factories, hotels and other businesses have created an unprecedented decline in water use. The lack of water flowing through pipes, combined with irregular temperature changes, have created conditions ripe for the bacteria that causes Legionnaire's disease. But as businesses consider reopening their buildings, any commercial facility that has been vacated for more than 3 weeks is at risk of a Legionella outbreak, unless the water pipes are properly flushed and sanitized. After surviving the coronavirus pandemic, who wants to reopen a building and have another set of significant health and safety issues to deal with? Those at risk include schools, gyms, factories, hotels, restaurants and offices. The threat also applies to hot tubs, water fountains, air conditioning systems, sprinkler systems and millions of water cooling towers atop of commercial buildings. Right now, very few companies are thinking through how water systems factor into their reopening plans. The threat from Legionnaire's disease is compounded because its victims tend to display the same symptoms as coronavirus patients, including coughs, chills and fever, making misdiagnosis a possibility. Where possible, you should continue to flush your water systems regularly to maintain good circulation and avoid stagnation. You should aim to keep your hot water hot and your cold water cold. Keep the water moving and clean. All employers must ensure the health and safety of their employees, customers, visitors and contractors by thoroughly flushing, cleaning, disinfecting and water testing before the building is reoccupied and the water systems returned to use. Finally, you should update any risk assessments to reflect any actions or changes to your control measures. At MBMS, we will ensure that your water systems are properly maintained and up to current health and safety standards. We are able to provide our risk assessment service as we adhere to the government's social distancing rules and regulations. Contact us to book your Legionella risk assessment right now. Telephone 01529 297117.